Python list remove method. In this video, we will learn about remove method of list object, its syntax and examples. Remove method removes the first occurrence of a given item in the list. The syntax of remove method is remove of parameter x, where x is the item that we would like to remove from the list. Consider a list of items where the item of interest is at 2 positions in the list. When we call remove method on this list and pass x as the argument, then the method finds the item in the list whose value is equal to x and removes that item. It modifies the original list. The items after the removed item are shifted to the left by 1 position. This operation reduces the length of the list by 1. Now let us go through some examples. First example, take a list of strings with fruit names. Fruits is equal to apple, banana, cherry. Consider that we have to remove banana item from the fruits list. Call remove method on fruits list and pass the banana item as argument. The remove method removes the banana item from the list. Print the list to output. The given item has been removed from the list. Now let us take the fruits list such that there are 2 occurrences of the item banana. Fruits is equal to apple, banana, cherry, banana. Consider that we have to remove banana item from the fruits list. Call remove method on fruits list and pass the banana item as argument. Print the list to output. The remove method removes the first occurrence of banana item from the list. The other occurrences remain in the list. Let us take the fruits list such that there are no occurrences of the item banana. Fruits is equal to apple, cherry, mango. Consider that we have to remove banana item from this fruits list. Call remove method on fruits list and pass banana item as argument. Print the list to output. Since there is no banana in the list, the remove method raises value error. How to handle this value error? You can either check if the item is in the list before removing the item from the list, or you can use try except and handle the value error in except block. In this video, we have covered how to use remove method of list object and how to handle the value error when there is no item in the list that we would like to delete. Thank you for watching the video. If you like our content, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.